So drive-in estimates. I know that's a thing that you're kind of, you've made some changes in your facility. We're still kind of struggling with going through with that, right? So we try not to write, a upfront estimate if we can. But what are some of the changes that you've done in your shop?
We came to realize that writing that upfront estimate really wasn't doing anybody any good. Number one, it was misleading from a bottom line standpoint. It was taking up time, kind of wasting time. And so we really moved away from that, pulled the estimator out of the front, and got everyone involved, started to build word tracking around, how do you get that customer over the feeling that they need that estimate and they really just need their car repaired. But really getting everyone involved and putting, certain questions up front to customers. And we probably revised it 10 times over already. But then also getting into role playing, and frequently asked questions and what happens if the customer pushes back. But just really getting everybody involved and realizing that putting something down on paper, in most cases, was just misleading people.
So it's a lot of it's really just changing the habits of the customer and then your habits of your team. Customers have been so ingrained, kind of, hey, I need multiple estimates. I need to have something physically on paper, and that's kind of just changing the mindsets.
Yeah. One other thing that we do is that when a customer's demanding an estimate or really feeling like they need them, and we feel like if we push them away from that any further, that they're going to get uptight. We're taking our photos. We're getting an email address, and then we're getting it back to them. In a lot of cases, by the time you get to that process, we've got the insurance information. We're able to process their claim. We've got them scheduled in and ready to go. But it's really just a whole different mindset today.
Mm-hmm. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.